Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show.
Hello everybody, here we are with the Raw Life Health Show. The Raw Life Health Show, raw food. And I've been on a raw vegan diet for a long time. There was a point where I wasn't eating raw food recipes and things like that because it was just, every time I went to a restaurant, a raw food restaurant, I would get recipes, they just didn't taste well. It's very hard to eat properly combined raw food recipes, and a lot of times the food's not fresh, it's sitting out. But these days, I picked the recipes, the most simple recipes that I love the most. And there are certain things that particularly I like. Like I don't like onions or garlic in my food. I just don't. They don't feel, it doesn't sit well with me. So I created my own recipes, or I looked at many different raw food recipe books and found out the ones that I like the most, and I made them. Well, Chef Laura is in town here, and she made just an amazing raw food meal tonight. And check this out. Come closer and take a look at that. So we have here some of my favorite. This is a Spanish cauliflower rice. It has red onions in it. Cauliflower, of course, is the main ingredient, and some cilantro, and just delicious. And you can make it spicy or less spicy, but there's no onions, there's no garlic in there. Absolutely love it. And this is to live for. This is a tostada made with there's almonds and sesame, not almonds and sesame seeds. What is it? Pumpkin seeds and almonds in dehydrated crust here. That's simple. That with salt and a little cayenne pepper. And then there's this. It's like a guacamole, but it's a little different. It's a spinach avocado mixed with some sun-dried tomatoes. It tastes absolutely great. So this is like a whole little Spanish thing going on here with tostadas and some cauliflower rice. Absolutely amazing. Once again, if you're a member of the Raw Life Health Show, I'll put those recipes below the video there. But this simple, this is very filling. Now, I like to eat leafy green vegetables often, and I had a green juice this morning with my leafy greens, so I got that in for the day. I had a smoothie earlier, so I got some fruit in, and then I got this here. So it's just, for the most part, I eat twice a day. I have my sweets in the morning. I like to get a green juice in as soon as possible. I might munch on some fruit throughout the day if I have something good available growing in the trees, or I can find something. But then in the evening time, not too late. I usually don't like to eat too late. That doesn't always happen, but I'll have a nice meal like this. And this is even a lot for me. Usually I like to eat the simpler and the smaller the better. But when Chef Laura makes these meals, it sure is great. So bon appetit, as they say. This food is to live for. And just look at this. Look at this cauliflower rice. So good. So good. So, all right, everybody. Enjoy your time. If you have any comments or questions, post them below the video. And we're going to be posting a lot more videos like this because that's what you asked for, and that's what we're giving you. Have a great day, everybody, and a great raw life.
Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your life.